Welcome to Stanvac Superon Group, India's leading manufacturer and exporter of stainless steel wires, welding consumables, welding rods, electrodes, industrial coatings, and specialty lubricant products. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 1994. At Gurgaon, our products are applicable in railways and cement industries. Client-centric approach, easy payment modes, and utmost client satisfaction make us the first choice of our clients. Stainless steel welding consumables, welding wires, and hard facing are some of our products and services. We offer a splendid range of insulation coatings and tapes that are best in the industry amongst others. Our specialty lubricants, oils and greases are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. We offer cooling tower biofilm and alage prevention coatings that are extremely reliable. Passive fire suppressions and dielectric cleaner offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. We also provide repair and reclamation epoxy putties that are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. For more information, log on at www.stainlesssteelwiresindia.com.